This is how to fold an AO into an A3, ready for an A3 binder to punch. So you start with the AO sheet upside down, with the bottom, what would be the bottom left-hand corner to the right. And you start your measurements from that side. So from that corner, you measure 594 mil and make a small mark. Then from the top corner, you measure 500 mil and make a small mark. That's your starting point. Then what you do is you take the bottom edge and fold it to the top mark that you made at 594. And crease the paper. Open that fold up and take the top corner, the top edge, and fold it down to the 500 mil mark that you made. And crease it. Now you leave that fold, take this corner and fold a flap just near to the inside edge that you folded from the bottom, but not quite right to the edge, and you crease that. Then you take your bottom edge, refold it up to that fold. So now you have your A3 width. Turn it around. So now you're looking at the plan at the bottom. So you should have the architect's symbol in the bottom left. Take your A3 sheet template for length, line it up with the corner, make a small mark at the end, and then fold to that mark. And crease. Open up that fold, take the right edge of the paper and fold it in to the crease that you've just created. And crease it. Then you take the edge of the paper and fold it to the end that you've just created. Then crease it, fold the paper back on itself, take this edge and fold it to the end. So that you get your Z-fold final crease, and you're done.